channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I wanted to go ahead and start out the new year with a bang. As you can see, I'm in a different location, but by the time you guys see this video, I would have already been back from my vacation. I am in Dubai. So if you guys want to see all my pictures and my adventures throughout my vacation, go ahead and check out my Instagram. It'll be down in the description box below. I created this look because this was the look I was wearing for most of the vacation. It's very, very minimal, and all I did was lashes, red lip, and pretty much like a basic foundation look. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just go ahead and stay tuned. And that's it for my look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that like button if you did. Until next time.